Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS and that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. Keep the Apple Watch SE charged and next to the phone. This prevents timeouts. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. Once done, point the iPhone camera at the animated pattern on the watch or choose Manual Pair if needed. This initiates a secure link so data transfers correctly and settings begin syncing. Once paired, you must decide whether to set up as new or restore a backup. Choose Restore to bring back apps and settings quickly. Sign in with your Apple ID so iCloud, Health, and Messages can sync. Make sure you grant permissions when prompted. Create a secure passcode on the watch. If you have cellular, follow the carrier steps to enable it. As you pick options like Siri, Activity, and app installs, the watch downloads data in the background and prepares for daily use. You finish by allowing the watch to complete the sync. Some content downloads instantly, while health and large apps can take longer. Make sure the watch and phone stay close and connected. Check settings for sync status. If pairing or sync fails, reboot both devices and retry. Often that clears temporary errors. If problems persist, unpair the watch using the Apple Watch app. This creates a fresh backup and removes the link so you can pair again cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.